Hi guys, I hope you're all doing well. Today I got invited to the Chanel private sale. So I'm off to the Chanel sale. This year there will only be a private sale. Unfortunately, there won't be a public sale. Some boutiques and department stores like Selfridges, for example, started their sale on the 27th of December, and some other boutiques like Bond Street, Sloane Street started their sale today. Today is the first day of the private sale, which is the 4th of Jan. So I'm super excited to go. Unfortunately, very sad news, there won't be a public one, but they said just because they don't have much stock. Previous years they had plenty of leftover stock, that's why there were public sales, but last year the sale was, you guys saw, I'll link my previous video above if you want to check it out. The stock wasn't that great and people were very disappointed, so they decided there won't be a public sale this year because of that. I will try to vlog today because actually after the sale I'm going to this amazing new restaurant. It's called Bachelania. Hopefully I'm not butchering it. It is a new Greek restaurant in Mayfair, and I think it opened in November, end of November or beginning of December, and I've been dying to go. The food looks delicious and yeah, the decor is stunning, so I'm very excited. And after that I will vlog a little bit today, and after that I'll show you what I picked up, if I bought anything from the Chanel sale. So we'll see if we can find anything good from the sale, and if I find anything I'll just unbox it at the end of this video. Let me show you what I'm wearing quickly. I forgot to put on earrings, but I'll show you which earrings I'm wearing in a bit. I'm wearing my necklace from Van Cleef. This is a sweater from All Saints, my mini heart in purple to match the Chanel skirt, and I will be wearing my Fendi boots. I have to take them out in a bit, and also I'll be wearing my Chanel card, so let me put them on quickly and show you. So I will wear, these are my long dresses, so I'll just wear these boots that I got from Bicester Village. I'll link my Bicester Village vlog, or unboxing actually, above if you want to see what I got, but these were an amazing score, so I'm gonna wear these. And these are the earrings that I'll be wearing. I received these as a gift from my essay for Christmas. They're so pretty, so I'm gonna put these on. So today I decided to wear this little cutie because I realized I haven't really worn it much during spring when I got it in summer. I wore the baby blue one definitely more than the purple, but the purple is so adorable. It's such a cute color and it will match my outfit perfectly today. So I'm taking this today, as you saw, but I also wanted to show you guys, look what I got from Samorga. I've told you before that Samorga not only has inserts for the classic bags, but also for more like quirky shaped bags, and when I saw this I really wanted to try it out. It's very thin, it has a slim little pocket at the back, it's so well made, and I wanted a matching color. They also have heart shaped insert for the larger hard bag, but I really wanted to see how the small one will fit. They are the original organizer company, and the organizers will always fit the best inside any designer handbag just because they purchase all the bags. And you can see on their Instagram as well, whenever there is a new release they buy the bag and they design an insert for that specific model, because sometimes when you put like a random insert inside your handbag, it can actually damage your bag, especially if they're softer leather or lambskin leather. And I wanted to show you this. I know I've shown you this, but I'm packing this today. So these I've been loving. They're mirrors. These are unbreakable mirrors. I showed you these in a recent video. So I'm gonna pack this because it's so slim, and if you drop it, it won't break. Even if you drop it on the street, it won't break. So I'm gonna pack this. Look how slim. I can even actually put it inside this slim pocket at the back. My card holder doesn't fit inside this mini bag, so I'll just take my cards and I put my cards in here. So definitely check out Samorga. The quality is amazing, and I do have a discount card which is active, so I'll make sure I link everything down below and my discount here on the screen. Okay guys, so I picked up a few pieces to try on. This one, this dress, this one I'm excited about, and then this long skirt. Everything is 40% off. This black dress is lovely, and some accessories, gloves, and a belt. Okay guys, so the Chanel sale was definitely a success. Can't wait to show you what I picked up. All the pieces were 40% off, and I scored some classics. Can't wait to show you at the end of this video, so stay tuned. I'll show you at the end of this video when I get home. I'm so excited. Honestly, went through the sale without hoping to find much, but to my surprise, they still had some really cool pieces, so yay. Okay guys, we are on our way to the restaurant. My hair looks terrible because it's so windy outside, but super excited for the restaurant. It's on Mount Street and it should be amazing, so I'm excited about the food. Let's go. So guys, we're here. Down this road is Bond Street with all the beautiful boutiques, and here is the new restaurant, the hottest new spot in London. So let's go and check it out. So for starter, we have the grilled octopus. Looks very yummy.
Tortilla, and I will take the salad for you.
Thank you. Guys, I want to show you the toilets because they're amazing. Look at this. Oh, and the music. Oh my god. That's the best toilet I've seen. So I just got home and I wanted to end this video by showing you what I scored from the Chanel sale. So let me quickly unbox the goodies. I picked up 3 pieces, ready-to-wear pieces. I was pleasantly surprised that I managed to find these 3, and I think I'm gonna wear them a lot, so let me show you. Oh, by the way, the restaurant food delicious. Really enjoyed it. Although I didn't get to try the proper dessert, I just got an ice cream. The ice cream was so yummy, and we ate so much we didn't really have much space left for like a proper dessert. But next time I go, I'll definitely try some of their desserts. So yeah, highly recommend the place. It is so beautiful, great for pictures as well. The toilets were my favorites. Guys, definitely go to the toilet. It looks like an actual palace, like a goddess palace. It's so stunning. So anyway, highly recommend the place. The service was great as well. So let me show you what I got from the sale. It is actually starting to get really dark outside, so I need to hurry up. So the first one is the dress that I tried on. Oh my god, look how beautiful. I will insert some clips again from when I tried it on. I didn't vlog much, as I said, because it was a private sale. It is so stunning. It is very flattering on because it cinches you in the waist, and it is just a classic piece, very timeless. It has these beautiful, let me come up close, beautiful gold CC buttons, and the fabric, can you guys see, it's a bit glittery, but it's not too glittery, so it's great for every day. I love the sleeves. You can see in that clip as well. This is the first piece that I got. By the way, spare buttons and the reference if you're interested. Then in here we have a hanger. You can kind of tell what will be next. Quickly before I show you what's in here, I have to show you the new dust bags because they changed the dust bags. So these are the new dust bags. This is how they look. They don't have a zipper. Let me actually hold on. Just for comparison, these were the old dust bags with the Chanel writing and the quilted detailing at the back. They have zipper, and the zipper has a little Chanel writing on there. Actually, I don't mind the new dust bags. They still look nice, but they're a bit rougher. Okay, after this short review of the new dust bags, but you guys know details are so important to me. So let me show you what else I got. Honestly, no other brand can beat Chanel packaging, even though they changed up the camellias and the dust bags and the other bags, the shopping bags. The packaging still looks so luxurious and nice. So can you guys guess what I got? Oh, I was holding it upside down. I got, let me remove the tag, I got the stunning skirt. Oh my god, isn't it gorgeous? Just look at the colors. I'll come up close. It is the same fabric as the one I'm wearing today, but it has these beautiful flowers and little CC detailing there. Can you guys see? It's quite subtle. I do not have anything like this in my collection, and actually when I saw it initially I was like, this style won't suit me. But I'm glad I tried it on because actually it looks so flattering. It is size 38, I'll show you the reference in a bit. They did have the matching top, but only in a size 34, unfortunately. If they had my size, I was definitely going to buy the matching cashmere top. It was a long sleeve top, like sweater, and it would have looked so nice. It would have looked like a dress. If you see a matching set, it's always nice to buy the full set because you can wear it separately or you can wear it together. And I kind of regret now not getting the matching top to the this skirt that I'm wearing today. As you might remember, I tried on the matching top and I left it and just got the skirt. Kind of regret not getting the full set now. But yeah, if they had my size in this set, I was gonna buy the top as well, but only had 34 left, so got the skirt and it looks so elegant on, very timeless, and it's very flattering on, so very happy with this one. Let me show you the reference. And then last, I'm actually so surprised this ready-to-wear piece went to the sale, but at the same time I'm happy it went to the sale because I scored it 40% off. So let me show you, they gave me this beautiful magazine and it is in here. So can you guys guess what's in here? Again, I think I tried it on. There is another hanger in here. Oh my god, check this out. Isn't it so pretty? Okay, what do you guys think? Isn't this so classic Chanel? It's like typical two-tone with beautiful Chanel buttons, the pockets, the colors are so stunning. They're very wearable. Let me show you an up close again of the buttons. Look how stunning they're, a bit sparkly. Do they have crystals? Oh yeah, they have crystals on them, and the classic Chanel quilted detail. I love the colors because they will match with my classic caramel flap, also with my Chanel 19. It will be the perfect match, and I can wear this as a cardigan or as a dress. Couldn't show you it open, I was just wearing a bra underneath, but it looks so beautiful as a light cardigan in spring, the transitional period. I did try it on all buttoned up as a dress and it was gaping a little bit. I definitely need to lose some weight, but I think the size was fine as a cardigan. I definitely have gained some weight during the holidays now and I'm planning to lose weight, so hopefully it will fit perfectly by spring as a dress as well. So it's such a versatile piece because you can wear it as a dress, as a cardigan. So let me quickly share the prices with you because I know many of you will be curious and I don't think I showed you the prices at the boutique. The cardigan was £2,562, the dress was £2,028 and the long skirt was £1,188. Okay guys, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Let me know which piece that I got from the sale was your favorite, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys. The mess I've created, but what a beautiful Chanel mess. Okay, let me tidy up. Bye guys.